This is one of the most exciting days for me in 2025. I just received this email. This invite is for getting access to the Robo Taxi app for my phone so that I can call a Robo Taxi to come pick me up wherever I am in the geofenced area. So I'm going to go through the process right now and see how it goes. So I do this type of testing for other applications that are not related to Tesla. I've been beta testing software for many years, and I am familiar with this process, so I'm going to proceed with that and show you whatever I can show you from here if it doesn't show any of my sensitive information. This is the install screen on the RoboTaxi app. Let me show that again. Look at that. All right. So let's click on install. I'm actually connected to my Starlink that's on the roof here. And while it's downloading, I'm going to read you what it says. It says, what to test. As an early access rider, you can be among the first to use our new RoboTaxi app and experience an autonomous ride within our geofenced area in Austin. Through this exclusive preview, you'll have the opportunity to provide valuable feedback on our RoboTaxi service. That is the first part that's here. It seems like it already downloaded, and the next thing it says is only welcome to the Tesla RoboTaxi service, and it has the app details. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on open. So I'm going to open the app now. And it's asking me if I'm going to allow the app to find Bluetooth devices. This is how it connects to cars. So I'm going to say allow. From the developer. Okay, listen to this, what to test. It's actually the same paragraph, it just repeated it on a different screen. So how I will have access to the RoboTaxi service. So I'm gonna hit next. They're telling me to share the feedback, and the blue button says start testing. So I'm gonna tap on that. I'm going to now sign in. I'm assuming that this is going to be connected to my Tesla app or my Tesla account. So yeah, that's exactly true. So I'm going to log on with my credentials, which is already here. I'm going to do that part in private because that has my sensitive information. I do use two-factor authentication on my account, so I'm in the middle of getting the code. I'm gonna copy the code that is dynamic. I use Okta for this, so I'm going to get my code. I'm going to copy my code. I'm going to back to the login screen and paste my code in it. Would you like to receive notifications? Yes. Allow notifications from the RoboTaxi app. Allow while using the app, and then I have to agree to the terms and conditions, which I just did, and we are in. We now have full access, direct access to the Tesla RoboTaxi app here in Austin, so we're gonna get right onto it and start testing it right away. This is gonna be great. Wow. Before I close it out, I'm actually at the edge. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm at the edge of the geofenced area right here. So that means I can actually leave my Cybertruck here and get a ride and get going with the testing on my own. So Nancy and I are going to be going into the RoboTaxi ride somewhere, and then we'll come back here and pick up our Cybertruck when we're done. Cheers.